Welcome, in front of me is Motorola Moto G56 5G, and in this video I will show you what to do if you can't access your device using your PIN code. In such case, try and remember the PIN code that you entered the last time, and make sure that you are entering your personal PIN code and not the SIM card PIN code, because those two are often mistaken for each other. And if you can't succeed doing that, then try and reach out to Motorola customer support service and tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will most likely help you out with this problem without any need of removing your personal files from the phone, as well as your personal information and data. And if you can't use this option too, then the last option for you is to perform a factory reset operation on your phone. And if you didn't disable the Find My Device feature on your phone manually, then you can perform the factory reset operation, remove all the files from your phone remotely just by entering the Find Hub service by Google, logging into your Google account that is connected to this phone, selecting this device, and just performing factory reset operation in one click. But if you disabled this feature on your phone, then you can perform a factory reset operation locally. To do that, you just have to use recovery mode on your device. And if you don't know how to do that, or if you need some help with that, please go ahead and check out the full video on our channel explaining the process step by step. So if you need it, check it out. And that will be all for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.